What other game you play, Caesar?
Roblox.
Roblox. That's the name of it?
Yeah.
All right. That's it, Caesar. I'm gonna cut it short there. And hold up, don't turn it off yet. Don't turn it off yet. Let me go around. I'll let you guys see the finished job once it's done. Let me come around. Wait a minute. Let me see. Find a spot right there.
Okay, guys.
Wait a minute. So guys, I think that's it. We're about set. The job, it looks decent. If you ask me, I didn't think it was, well, not that I didn't think. I really didn't know if it was gonna come out right. I kind of risked it. Again, this is a nice car. It's in great, well, no, it's in excellent condition. So I mean, I didn't want to go and mess it up. Obviously, it's my car, but it came out excellent. I'm gonna show you guys once I take the tape off and the covers off how it came out. If I got to touch it up one more time, I'll do that for a third coat. But I think that's about it. Again, guys, you can leave your comment. The thumbs up, the like on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, subscribe to them. I try to have different type of content on it. Honestly, I've seen people with trillions likes and a bunch of subscribers. I start thinking, how the hell do they do that? But I mean, I'm just trying to spread some knowledge and spread some of the hobbies that I do. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't like it, let me know what I did wrong, what I could do better, what I should do to get people to like my videos. And I'm open. I'm open for knowledge, people. I don't know it all. All right. So again, guys, I'm let you guys go. I think I'm through with this video. I'll show you guys the ending part of it, or the outcome of this project that I did. And guys, hit me up. All right. So salute, people. Peace.